I'm here at the Troodos Square, close to Troodos Square, where is the Environmental Center for Information. If you are looking for information about the environment in Troodos, here is the place to come. And I'm here with
Dimitris.
is the Forestry Department officer here to give you all the information you need to come here and explore Troodos. So, Dimitris, if somebody comes here, what they expect to see?
Here is a visitor center and has inside the exhibition room and the other room with a film uh, about the Troodos area.
Okay, so they have a small museum about the fauna and the flora of the area here.
Yeah, sure.
And what else? Do you have a video to
Yes,
watch?
we have a video 10 minutes long. You can watch on the.
And you have a beautiful trail here. I went before and see all the flora and the trees. It's magical.
Yes, has many trails around of the area. For example, we have trails which walk around of the highest point of the Cyprus.
The Artemis one,
Artemis, yes, 7 kilometers circular.
which is also geo trail, right?
Yes, we have a trail around of the building.
Okay, thank you for so much for the information.
Thank
And
you.
just come here to see everything about the environment in Troodos with Dimitris. Within the center, there's an exhibition room, which I went. There's a large number of exhibit. Here is a ring of a tree, 400-year-old tree. They have at the entrance of the exhibit room. There's a large number of exhibits, including different kind of habitats and species with photographs, current and historical ones, explanatory texts, and references, as well as old tools and visual material on the park management, ecology, and geology. Here are the viper. You see it. The only viper in Cyprus. We have different kind of birds. Photos. Here are rings of different kind of trees that we have, endemic species. The bats. Some information about the bats of Cyprus. You see the bat here in the cave, a model cave they make. The rings again, the golden oak, the national tree of Cyprus. Here's a station for the chitter mainly. You see different kind of species under the microscope. Further down, you see the butterflies of Cyprus. There's a lot of different kinds here, you see. I love butterflies. Who doesn't, right? And further down, more species, endemic, flora and fauna. Here are more stuffed animals to explore. There's a big eagle. Here is also a fox. I went back later just to see because I almost missed the fox hiding behind the plants. It's a significant exhibiting room to explore and to see all the things that you see later in nature, and also the wild rabbit that you can find, especially in Paphos region